The image provided is a process that gives information about how to solve a problem during the convenient process. Include the first step include the state the problem. Whatever it is the problem, we can state it. Second, we have to generate ideas. Newer ideas should be generated. The third process is select a solution. Which of the solution will be better fitted to the problem it is stated. Whereas in the fourth step, build the item. Which item will be built that can be deposited and think about that. The final process is evaluate, which can be done according to the solution or problem. Whereas overall the final process and result include the present results, which could be the most important process, so that we can about describe about the question and answer. Particularly the process is very informative about how.
The given process chart is showing the total 6 steps. First step is state problems, then second step is generate ideas, third step is select and solutions, fourth step is build the idea, then fifth step is evaluate, and then last step is sixth is present a result. All step is necessary to complete this process chart. Overall, this chart is very informative and interesting that provide the information about state problems.
The flowchart gives information about problem solving. There are various steps in the flowchart such as state the problem, generate ideas, select a solution, build the item, evaluate, present result. The first step is state the problem and it is converted into generate ideas and select a solution. Further develop building the ideas, moreover evaluate. Finally, the last step is present results. The highest position is present results and the lowest position is state the problem. Overall, the flowchart talk about problem solving.
The flowchart gives the brief information about problem solving. There are various steps such as the state of problem, generate ideas, select a solution, build the items, evaluate and present results. The first step is state the problem. Moreover, it converted generate ideas. The further it developed select a solution. Then further it developed evaluate. Finally, the last step is present results. The highest position is state a problem, and the lowest proportion is evaluate. Overall, it is an informative picture.
This picture gives information about a cycle of solution finding. At the first stage, we must state the problem. At the next stage, we can generate ideas. It also shows how to select a solution and build the item. It also represents that evaluate and represent result at the sixth stage. To conclude, the data points to cycle of finding a solution to problems.
This process gives information about the problem solving. There are many steps in this process. From this process, I can say that the first step is to state the problem, which is indicated by generate ideas and select a solution. Now, the second step is to build the team, which is indicated by evolution and grammars. If we talk about the last step, is a present results, which is indicated by route circle and some feedbacks. This process is very informative and knowledgeable. In conclusion, this process tells about the problem solving skills.
So the given flowchart provides crucial information about solving a problem. It's a very informative flowchart and I'm going to talk about it. According to this flowchart, there are a lot of different stages. Starting from stage 1, state the problem and followed by generate ideas. In the third stage, we can see select a solution. In addition, it can be noted that the fourth stage is build the item, fifth stage is evaluate, and final stage is present the results. In conclusion, the flowchart was very informative and provided in-depth details about solving the problem.
This process gives information about the problem solving. There are many different elements in this process. From this process, I can say that the first step, that is the state of problems, which is indicated by generated ideas. Now, the second step, that is the select the solution, which is indicated by build the items. If we talk about the last step, that is the present result, which is indicated by the blue colors. In conclusion, this process is very informative and knowledgeable for peoples.